Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO Y97. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Vivo. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Sorry, misclick. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!